Do you want to put a smile on someone's face? Maybe make their day a little brighter? It doesn't take much time or money on your part. Many things can be done as part of your normal routine and cost less or nothing. You may not know how many people are encouraged by your kindness because smiles are contagious. Try one or more of these 7 ways today to put a smile on their face. Number 1. Write an encouraging note to others that encourage you or need encouragement. Signed notes that are given to encourage, not just to thank someone for a gift, are rare. It makes handwritten notes more distinctive. Start a new practice of writing encouraging notes by sitting down regularly. Number 2. Take a friend for lunch or invite him over for dinner. You will know each other better than you do now. If you feel more adventurous, throw a party for many of your friends and put a smile on many faces. Number 3. Give someone an inspiring book to read. You will feel good doing it. Reading the book will change the person, and they will think of you whenever they read it. Number 4. Ask a friend or relative if you can take care of their children for a day or an evening. If you're a parent, you know the value of trying to do a few hours for adult time without worrying about the kids. Don't wait for the baby to sit down when needed. Offer to do it at a time when parents can have something fun and relaxing. Number 5. Deliver meals to someone you know is sick or has a rough time. We're all sick and the last thing you want to do is get out of bed. There are also times when life is difficult and daily chores are difficult. You can help a lot by providing meals that can be enjoyed. Number 6. Volunteer time to support your local church or charity. Every minute you dedicate to a church or charity will cause many smiles. You put a smile on every leader's face to help without asking. You will also put a smile on the face of the people who are being helped by the organization. Number 7. Thank everyone who supported you throughout the day. The list of people you contact is endless. Remember family and friends, secretaries, co-workers, teachers, pastors, store staff, janitors, gas station attendants, your mail and newspaper deliveries, and servers in restaurants. I know this is a list of 7 ways to put a smile on someone's face, but other ways cannot be ignored. Give everyone you meet a real smile. You will realize how easy it is to make others laugh. If you know any other ways to make someone smile, please leave it in the comments section below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.